Hey everyone, Lensman Oz here and welcome to Captain of Industry Beta. This is episode 2 of our new playthrough. And, oh, there's the music. I was going to say I can't really hear anything at the moment. So yeah, we have the two farms down and producing, trucks running around. There have been some hiccups here and there and with people playing through the game, and the devs are really working hard all the way through Christmas to ensure that any little bugs are ironed out as soon as possible. So very appreciative to the devs there. So what are we doing? We are producing stuff. I'm going to build another another research lab. So we can up our production of research. We will eventually have other things that we can trade with the villager here, but we're going to need a boat to be working first. So that's cool. We'll get there. So these guys are up and running. We are building all the things. Let's get a move on. I probably should have just leveled this off first instead of going straight to... Are you stuck? Pickup cannot reach... Ooh, hello. Not that button, thanks. Alright, so apparently these need to be 3 wide for ramps and gaps. I don't know if it's 3 blocks or whether it's 3... Yeah, so probably gotta have to... potentially... You know what, let's do this. Get rid of that. And what I want to do is actually, I'm just going to flatten this first. And we're going to go from here. We're going to just flatten what we can. Can you get out of there, please? I think this will be a problem, so I'm going to need to... I'm going to put that there so I can run a transport. I think it's going to be here. I'll go back to this. No, I need to go one more. Right next to it. Concrete production is researched. So let's cancel that and let's deconstruct. That one. Alright, good. So this is the width that we'll need. Good. So I believe it's 3. I don't know whether it's 3 individual wide, but the designations are meant to be 4 wide. So maybe it's just 2 designations, but I just don't want to run the risk. I would rather have something wider than is required. Anyway, the dumping here, we're going to need to eventually have storage for loose material, and sand will be moved to there instead of that dumping pile. Next, potentially basic diesel, I guess, so that we can get into some fuel, unless I go straight for copper refinement. We don't really have access to copper fully yet, so let's just start this research and then this, and we'll leave it cement production. All right, good, underway. We can now make concrete. But concrete requires a crusher to make the crushed slag. All right, concrete mixer. So it requires cement, crushed slag, and water to a concrete slab. So let's look at making a... I mean, limestone's all the way over there. We don't even have anything set up for it yet. This is going to go here. And we're not going to build anything yet. Also going to require a crusher. Zoom in a bit. Okay. And then, as I said before, we are going to need mine control tower. And some designations. Let me change area to like there. And we are going to require, start with flat. Like that. Basic diesel is researched. I'm also going to require another one of them. Yeah, I must have got some of them outside. Just here. That's okay. Yeah, these guys will dig up the limestone. We'll run it through the crusher and into here. We're going to need water. So in order to get some water happening here, I probably want to at least get a rainwater harvester nearby and then pipe. Awesome. What are you full of? Probably iron ore, right? Do you make a difference? Yeah, so we get iron and slag. Oh, I don't need the limestone yet, eh? Do I? It's just slag that I need to produce. Okay, so let's not. Don't need that yet. I will need copper soon. And coal probably wouldn't be the worst thing to start mining up. Basic diesel is done. Again, making oil on this map is this one little patch here. So to do this, basic distiller is coal and oil, and it gives us a little bit of diesel, which we're going to need. But I'd like to, as soon as I can, get this guy repaired. Shipyard. Do I have to? Oh yeah, because it's add this. Add these to the queue. Hopefully I don't fail too badly. So I'm going to need this guy, so let's unpause you. And we're going to need this guy, so unpause it as well. But we are going to need to move on to making sure this metal scrap is gone. So these only hold, oh sorry, do I have storage? Hold 180. It says heaps in it still. So potentially I should build maybe a second blast furnace already. So let's do that. And I want to flip it. So that the steam is out that side. Good. And then we're going to do pipe from here to here. And then a molten channel from here to there. You are going to do this one. All right. Let's also get down and start designating a Basic maintenance depot. Oh, I'm going to need maintenance now. Sure. I'm just going to drop it there. It's terrible, but let's level all this off. And then that's your area. You're going to have an excavator. Also build another pickup. Oh, I haven't finished building. Oh, there goes the other excavator. We're good. Okay, I do need to get basic diesel underway. These have no power because we don't have power yet. Copper electrolysis is done as well. It's impure copper and water. All right, let's get into oil. Pump. And a basic distiller. Yeah. Can I dump fluids yet? Nope. Can't do anything with, there it is, liquid dump. Alright, things are nasty. Diesel gen. And in true me fashion, I've gone and put way too much stuff down. You're getting iron ore, which means we're making iron. Very nice. This will just produce its bits and pieces. It'll continue using the metal scrap on this side. And we should be good. Okay, we have an excavator. You need to actually have a vehicle sign. Good. Cement, copper. The cement, we now have the ability to make a rotary kiln, which requires limestone and coal, is cement and exhaust. Takes 20 kilowatts. Crusher's 25. This little guy produces 150. Ship dock repair is underway now, and then we can get into storage and fuel station, ramps. Oof. So crude oil. This guy is going to need a... that one. Oh, it's in waste management smokestack. There. And then this will be connected up. It's going to pollute the water a little bit. Not much I can do right at this very second. Just going to get fuel. We need to get someone delivering diesel. So he's currently driving all the way over to fill up. Need to get into fuel station. You're locked behind construction too. Add that and then add that. Might as well just queue everything up, right? Not enough maintenance because no one has built this. Construction part's just ticking along. Let's prioritize that to priority 1. So hopefully they'll deliver the items. Looks like it. Still need a bunch. Still need another 5. Shouldn't take that long. Generator is up, using 20 kilowatts of it. So we have concrete mixer running. Slag, and we're just doing the slag recipe at the moment, so that's okay. Enough workers, not enough maintenance. Okay, no workers. That can be paused. There's some workers. Okay, so it's going to take copper and iron and create maintenance. Got copper. We'll be producing iron here. I am going to need to get down into copper here. You make molten copper. You will make impure copper. And then we need to run impure copper and water. Gives normal copper. You lose 3 copper plates. And, yep, cool. So, ouch, that's expensive, but we need to do it. We should be good here for parts. We just need to get things built. So concrete is underway. Again, as soon as we start producing slag, which we will be here, that will be transported to the crusher. We've built liquid dump. A little bit of food. Arms are okay. How are we doing here? Do you still not have a truck? You should have a truck allocated to you. Fingers crossed, right? Oh, look at that. Gotta love the models in this game. Very cool. Cement. It's produced crushed slag. It's just like transferred it across. I do need to get belts underway, but we don't have belts yet. I wonder if... No, it's molten and... yeah. Anyway. We've got ship dock repair done. Getting the ship repaired would be smart. I don't know if we've even made a dent yet. Where's the ramp? Where's the dumping stockpile? Oops. I'm not sure what is required there at the moment. No slag being dumped here, please. I want the slag to be taken to here. Don't think I can designate what's dumped here either. You, no slag. Okay. You are going to be priority of like 15, 14. Priority of 8, that's good. This should have been priority 7. Priority 10. I'm not sure how the priority system works with that. These guys are in, leveling out the iron ore. Construction is done, and diesel production. Okay. We need workers. I am going to need to build the beacon. I mean, I could turn this off for the moment. We'll see what happens once we get this research done. Maybe I'll turn research off for a little bit and catch up. Actually picking coal up. That's where we need a person. Is our spare people. Potato will dry out due to lack of water. Nice if it would rain. We do not have water pumps or anything yet, so we're pretty much playing as we can. And we lost our props. Gotta be a way. Okay, so the beacon's up. Yeah, let's get some people in. We can handle at least one load. Can I trade at all? Is that possible? Don't think it is, right? It's fine. And this will need to get completed. I'm gonna run out of diesel before anything else happens. Don't know if I can just put the fuel station happening. All good, all good. Less than a month, 16 people. Then I need to turn it off. It's using Unity. There it is. Let's pause that. Going as fast as it can. There you go. Let's just put plates straight into one of these storages. Oh, I wonder if we'll lose all this stuff. Water is an issue. Okay, what are you full of iron ore and you got nowhere to put it? We really need to get loose storages up and underway. Fuel station done. So for the moment, this is how we'll play it. Okay. Right, pop's hooked up. Keep us going. Is still stock on the ship? There's not. Oh, I can unpause this now. Get these ticked off. Nowhere to put coal at the moment. Guess we'll use gravel at some point. I probably need to get another one of these over here with a tank so that we don't have the issue as before. I'll put one of these down and then storage tank. They can water the farms, I guess. Ramp for vehicles research is done. Conveyor belts is being researched now. Still making concrete. Still got a little bit more to pull out of here yet, but as soon as these things are stripped correctly, we will remove that item and hopefully be able to stay ahead. Haven't even started building this yet. No, we don't have construction parts 2 being created. So I would need to build another. I still need an assembly. Yeah, level 2 one, electric one. And it's regular construction parts and copper. So we are going to need to get into electrolysis. Also means we're going to need water. Let alone needing the copper itself. So I'm going to need to build another mining tower and start looking at leveling this area. I probably want to actually let's just cancel all that. What have you got? Full vinyl, that's okay. We still want them to dump in that stockpile. Should be good. Hopefully they can get up that. Alright, no research, very good. Let me... I've got those people who can do stuff. Settlement water. I think I need to get storage underway. Yeah. Okay. The rotary kiln is still going to need to be a thing. And we're still going to need to get limestone out of the ground. Oh wow, we're good for diesel. It's a sad little village that I've got going, isn't it? It'll get better. Lots of area, building on a beach. I don't know how many people would build sort of buildings on a beach, but we'll get there. Okay, our storage for storing all our iron plates is happy, good. This should start getting its number one assembly thing, and then we're going to need another assembly. Somewhat nearby to make construction part 2. Awesome. All right, wrapping up point. Next episode, I'm gonna try and get some copper going, even if they have to truck it all the way over. We'll start processing. We can start doing belts. We'll have to work on how much rubber we've got. But I'll be able to use flat conveyor belts now to go from... Do you have an output? You don't have an output. Okay, so we're not going from there to there. Guess we don't need flat conveyors. I mean, we could go from here to here, but it may not need to be a problem. Anyway, cool. Alright, as I said, wrapping up point. Thank you all for watching. Comments down below. I'm derping through as best as possible. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye now.